For today's tutorial, I will be going over how to create a simple animation video with Navisworks. I will be going over two methods. Method number one will consist of clicking on a record button and utilizing the tools located under the animation tab, or method two, which consists of adding an animation video by right-clicking on the Save Viewpoint screen and creating multiple viewpoints. Alright, so for the first method, you're going to want to start by positioning the camera in your preferred view. Let's see. There. Then you're going to select the animation tab and hit the record button located under the create panel. Alright, and then you're going to start by navigating. So whatever I'm navigating in right now is what's being recorded. Alright, once you're ready for your video to end, you're going to click on that stop button located in the animation tab in the playback panel. Alright, notice how after hitting the stop button, it should bring you back to the original location of the animation video and have created an animation right in your Save Viewpoints window. You drag that over here. Alright, that's your animation video that you created. So what you're going to do to play it is select it, go back to the animation tab, and hit play. Alright, so you're going to notice that this method has a rough transition due to the navigation of the model, which is why I usually prefer to use method 2, which consists of creating multiple viewpoints that the animation transitions smoothly. Alright, so for method 2, let me go back to the original. Alright, so for method 2, you're going to start by right-clicking on your Save Viewpoints. So right-click, you're going to drop down to Add Animation, select, and then you can name it however you want. I'm just going to method 2. Alright. And then you're going to start by positioning the video however you'd like. Let's get more up close. Alright, and then you're going to right click on your Save Viewpoint window and create your first viewpoint. So I'm just going to name it 1 and then start creating multiple Save Viewpoints. So 2, 3, 4, Alright, once you're done or satisfied with the number of viewpoints you created, you're going to want to hold shift and select them all. And then you're going to drag them under your animation video that you created. Alright, and then I'm going to delete these. Okay, and then you're going to click play under the animation video, so you're going to want to click your method 2 and play. Alright, so you're going to notice that this video has a smoother transition, but it also does have a faster pace to the video, which is why you can also edit it. So you want to go to your method 2, right click it, drop down to the edit button, and then you can edit the duration of the video. So that original video was 13.6 seconds, so I'm going to need to make it 25 seconds long. Alright, you can click OK. and then press play. So now you can notice that the video is playing at a much slower pace, or you could also increase the pace of the video. It just depends how many seconds you edit it or add onto it. Alright, well that concludes today's tutorial.